welcome to my channel. Mila says hello. Today I want to show you how to make chocolate macarons with chocolate ganache. They're absolutely my favorite. I really hope you try them. And guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and I upload new video every single week. Now let's get started. First you want to make your ganache. So in a bowl add your milk chocolate and then heavy or double cream. And you want to microwave this in 30-second breaks until your chocolate has completely melted. Then add butter and mix everything together with a whisk until everything is incorporated and you get this nice beautiful chocolatey mixture. Place a cling film on top of your bowl and this will go into the fridge until it's completely set, which can take 6 to 8 hours. Once your chocolate ganache has been done, you want to see that it's nice and set, and at this stage you want to just take a spoon and place your mixture into a piping bag with no nozzle. Once your mixture is done, you want to set this aside. In a food processor, add your icing sugar with almond powder and cocoa powder and blitz everything until it's nice and smooth. You can also do this at home with a sieve. Just make sure you do it 2 times or 3 times to sieve it through. Then we're still gonna sieve this mixture. So in a bowl, add your mixture and sieve it through using a spoon or just shake it off from your sieve. It is essential to do this so we don't have any large lumps in our macarons. Then the mixture is looking nice and well. We're going to set this aside. In a separate bowl, we're going to whisk an egg white and mix everything together until it becomes nice and foamy. You then want to add a little bit of sugar at a time while whisking, and your mixture should be nice and white and pale and like meringue sort of type. So keep whisking until you have nice stiff peaks. So add your meringue 1 tablespoon at a time into your dry mixture, and you just want to go around and mix everything together until everything is incorporated. This process takes some time and you do want to be patient and quite gentle while mixing everything together. So just keep going around, mixing it all until you start to see that the mixture becomes more chocolatey and more like a paste. Once you have finished, you're looking for a final sort of clue which will give you an indication the macarons are ready, that they kind of fall off your spatula and fall and sort of go around your bowl. So that's the time when it's done. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Place your mixture into a piping bag and seal it from all the sides and make sure you use a round piping tip. You then want to go around your parchment paper and a baking dish and put little blobs around. Shake it up, place it on the counter and hit it a few times from both sides and leave it to completely set for about half an hour up to an hour until the macarons form a nice skin on top. So when you touch it, you should have no fingerprints of the chocolate left. We're going to bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And once they're done, they're gonna look so beautiful and lovely, just like this. You can place them together into 2 shelves so you can find similar sized. And now we're gonna top them up with my chocolate ganache filling. So add a little blob of chocolate ganache filling onto each macaron and then just seal it with the second half, pressing down and twisting. And this way you've got this beautiful chocolate ganache and macaron shells all together. Look at that pretty shell and macaron. Absolutely love these. They're so delicious and yummy. So there you go, guys. I really hope you try these and make them. They're super simple and anyone can do these. They're so yummy and delicious, and please subscribe to my channel and check out loads of my other videos.